In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to manage passkeys on your iPhone. Passkeys provide a faster and more secure way to sign into your apps and websites without using traditional passwords. So make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone and iOS tutorials. To get started, open the Passwords app on your iPhone. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode if prompted. Once you're in the Passwords app, you'll see all of your saved passwords and passkeys. Tap on any account that has a passkey saved to view its details. From here, you can review the passkey information, update the account details if needed, or delete the passkey if you no longer want to use it for that website or app. If you want to create and save a new passkey, simply sign into a supported app or website and follow the prompts to create a passkey. Your iPhone will securely save it to iCloud Keychain, making it available across your Apple devices. And that's it. That's how you can manage passkeys on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips, passkey guides, and iOS security tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.